Okay. We're going to do a little bite work with the puppy, and we're going to start her off. And I'm going to be coaching the owner to bring her over and see if she can get a bite on this. Once again, it's a 6-month-old Belgian Malinois.
Keep loud.
All right, come to me.
Keep loud.
Come to me.
Keep loud.
All right, stop right there.
Good girl. Keep
You stay like a post.
Keep loud. Good girl. Keep loud. Keep loud. Oh, keep loud. Good girl. Keep loud. Keep
All right,
loud.
give it a bite.
Keep loud.
That's it. Good girl.
Good.
Good
Keep
girl.
loud. Good. Good pocket. Good pocket. Yes. Good pocket.
Oh, what a tough little dog.
Good.
Okay, I'm going to let go of the sleeve. You run her around in a circle, okay? Good.
Oh, good girl. Yes. Good. Good. Yes. Come on. Good.
Oh, just toss it here. All right, that's good. All right, start to bring her close to the sleeve. Let her get possessive of the sleeve.
Okay.
Bring her over here. Bring her closer to the
Keep
sleeve.
loud. Keep loud.
Keep stop right there.
Good. Keep loud. Keep loud. Keep loud. Oh, good. Keep loud. Keep loud.
I'm going to sleeve the sleeve, okay?
Keep loud. Good. Keep loud. Good. Keep loud. Keep loud. Yes. Yes. Good. Keep loud. Good. Keep loud. Good. Good. Yes. Yes. Good. Keep loud. Good. Keep loud. Good. Good. Yes. Good. Yes. Yes. Good. Keep loud. Good. Keep loud. Keep loud. Keep loud.
Good. Give it to her.
Pocket. Pocket.
That's it.
Good pocket. Good pocket. Yes.
Rub her belly.
Good pocket. Good pocket. Yes. Good pocket. Good pocket. Good pocket. Good
Pocket.
pocket.
Say it like you mean it.
Good pocket. Good pocket. Yes. Good
All right,
pocket.
now I'm going to pull. You
Good.
stay stationary.
Good pocket.
Then loosen
Good.
your grip. Loosen your grip. Let her get...
Pocket.
Okay. All right. All right, take 5.